I welcome everyone to this session. High frequency words 3. Today we are going to see meaning for 5 more words. Alleviate. Alleviate is a verb. You can see this picture. Someone got an injury and they are healing it by means of an ice bag. So they are trying to reduce the pain. Meaning of alleviate is relieve. That is, make suffering, deficiency or a problem less severe. So here in this picture we can see he's having severe pain and he is trying to make it less, or he is trying to get the pain relieved. Usage: he couldn't prevent her pain, only alleviate it. Next word: amalgamate. You can see a human body is united with a horse body. So amalgamate, you can remember the term combine or unite in one body. Explanation: combine or unite to form one organization or structure. This figure you can easily remember the meaning for amalgamate. It is combine or unite in one body. Let us see an usage. He amalgamated his company with another. So he joined his company with another company to form a new company. Next word: ambiguous. It is an adjective. We can see in this picture, you can think the picture as a duck, then it's a part of the duck, or you can see this picture as a rabbit and this one as ears. So it is ambiguous. The same picture is there. We don't know whether it is drawn as a duck or rabbit. So it is unclear or doubtful in meaning. Ambiguous means unclear or doubtful in meaning. Explanation: open to more than one interpretation, not having one obvious meaning. So this picture is unclear whether it is doubtful that whether it is a rabbit or a duck. Let us see an usage. The election result was ambiguous. It is unclear or doubtful. Next word: ambivalence. It's a noun. There's a confusion whether to go in the left side or right side. So it is a contradiction or conflicting emotional attitude. Ambivalence means the state of having contradictory or conflicting emotional attitudes. It is an emotional attitude. The state of having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. That is the explanation for ambivalence. It's conflicting emotional attitudes. Let us see an usage. Even though the new job meant more money, Ram felt a great deal of ambivalence about accepting the position. Next, ameliorate. Ameliorate is a verb. Here in the picture we can see there is an improvement shown. So ameliorate means improve. So it is to make something bad or unsatisfactory better. So something bad or unsatisfactory situation is there. To ameliorate means to make the situation better. So ameliorate you can relate with the word improve. Let us see an usage. The reform did much to ameliorate living standards. So the living standards are very poor at the time. The reform was brought by government, and the reform did much to improve the living standards. That is, ameliorate the living standards. So that's the end of the session. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to the channel to support our cause. Thank you.